Tired of traditional banking headaches and ready to simplify your business finances? Then you're in the right place. Because today, we're breaking down exactly how to open a Qonto business account, step by step. First, let's cover eligibility. Qonto is generally available to most registered businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Check their website for specific details regarding your country and business type. Now, head over to the Qonto website. You'll see their different pricing plans. Choose the one that best fits your business needs. Consider the number of users, transaction limits, and included features when making your decision. Click on the Sign Up button and you'll be taken to the registration form. Fill in your email address, create a secure password, and provide your company details. Be accurate and thorough. This information is crucial for verification. Next, you'll need to prepare your required documents. This typically includes your company's registration certificate, proof of address, and identification documents. For the company's legal representatives, have these scanned and ready to upload. Once your application is submitted, Qonto will review it. This can take a few business days. After approval, you'll gain access to your Qonto account. Here you can start managing your finances with features like real-time transaction tracking, expense management, team access control, and more. So, say goodbye to banking hassles and hello to streamlined business banking with Qonto.